Okay, hello YouTube. I just want to show you my Rat 5 made by Ontario. I did quite a few modifications on it. I didn't like the sheet first of all. I don't know why, probably because I watched so many of the videos from Gavco and I get addicted to Kydex. Anyway, lots of modification on the knife too. So what I did, I totally cleaned out over here because it was straight, very straight. So I smoothed it out, I cleaned it down. Also over here, I narrowed both sides. Same thing over here a little bit. And it doesn't show in the... I had a little bit of sharp edge, not sharp edge, but pointy edge over here. Also I made a different angle on the grind. It's not razor sharp. Guy showing how they cutting papers. Yes, that's very nice, but as soon as you start using it, it's gonna dull a little bit. But it's still very good, very sharp, and it just works perfect for me. I sanded off the top, and also modified. I made a little bit of slight curve over here. The reason I cleaned off the coating on it, because I thought it's gonna be a good tool for my ferro rod, but it's not. So that's how the knife looks like. I love it. 1095 carbon steel. Just overall a very nice knife. Very useful. Good chopper. And I will say I'm not an expert bushcrafter, but it's a good outdoor knife. Okay, so here is the sheet. That's, as I know, the Tek-Lok. Just because all of the Kydex sheets ends over here. And as soon as you are adjusting the Tek-Lok, you are adjusting to these 2 points. But then the knife is too high on your belt. It's absolutely not comfortable. So what I did, I extend the Kydex to this point to make the knife lower on your belt. This little cord is just for decoration, and this bolt over here is to adjust the tension on the Kydex. But a light click and easy to pull. Silent. Okay, at the same time I'm gonna show you what was my last week project. That little knife I made from probably a 12-inch kitchen knife. I grinded off and made a nice smooth I have to find a good handle. Probably I'm gonna look for oak or something, wooden handle, or maybe I'm gonna put some G10 on it. But overall it's a very good skinning knife. 3 finger and you're holding like that. Or you can hold it like this. And your pinky gonna lock the knife. Couple hours work, definitely. But it's probably a cheap stainless steel. But it works for me. Good sharp edge. And I'm happy with that. That's my first knife, first experiment. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.